Now, the way to understand something is to understand what we see as a symbol for something else. Because what we see is not the end of something, it's the beginning of something else that stretches in a different dimension. All we have is a symbology of that thing. What we see is full of symbols. What we see is a world of symbols. The problem is we don't see the symbols, but as the materials themselves. Now, this is a symbol. A symbol of what? Two things are trying to connect together and to form a very fragile bond, which at any moment could separate. Now, we have got the right hand, which is connected to the left hemisphere, and the left hand is connected to the right hemisphere. We have two universes which are finding expressions through these two hands. One is masculine, the left hemisphere, one is feminine. One is taking, the other is giving. One is holistic, the other is analytic. When a person is listening, when he's doing like that, he's actually connecting in himself two universes, and he's unifying what is separating, what the two conflicting things in him, and is saying that he's reaching an harmonious synergetic stage where his two opposites are together. Now, this is a bit highfalutin what I'm saying, but I'm just showing a way to look at things. Everything that we see is actually a hint into a completely hidden universe. We live in a world that we are actually accessing one portion of 100 from what we see. And for example, if we look at the colors, yes, we don't see all the colors. We think we see all the colors, but what we see is one divided to 60 of what is there, and the rest of the 59th portions are infrared and ultraviolet. Now the thing is that what I'm saying is that our physical apparatus is only accessing a very small portion. You're right. And I'm saying within that small portion, we're also accessing a very limited portion of what is there. Because what is real and what is important is not accessible to the normal perception. Perception is limited by itself. Perception can only take in and relate to the lower aspect, to the seen aspect. But what is motivating the seen is usually unseen. And if we are hypnotized by what is seen, we are escaping from seeing what is moving it. The way to move from the seen to the unseen is to look at the seen as a symbolical thing.